Good job.
Aww.
Good job.
Aww.
Good job. Some things I just have to move and get myself.
Aww.
Sit. Sit pretty. Stay. Stay. No, you're fine. Harley, heel. Good job. Good boy. Stay. Let's see mommy. Stay. Harley, heel. Sit. Yes. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Come on, heel. Sit. Heel. Okay. Sit. Stay. Harley, heel. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Good job. Sit.
Well, nowadays I've started separating, our meats, proportioning everything out, making it all smaller.
Yeah, we just don't eat as much as we used to. We split it like a chicken breast, but look how big the damn chicken breast are.
Oh, it makes me wonder.
How do you
Yeah,
sit?
it makes me, it's creepy.
I seen it. One lady went up to the cash
Leash.
register and she had chicken
Leash.
breast. I'm like, I literally was so shocked about how
Good
big
job.
it was that I went,
Good boy.
chicken breast?
Yeah,
And
not
it
a
looked like
turkey
a
breast.
whole chicken or a turkey.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's creepy, I think.
Keys.
I
Good
don't know.
boy,
I'm even reading
yes.
labels, making sure there's no bugs
Sit.
in there. Our next meat protein, bugs.
Okay, I'm backing up. Wait. Good job. A little training.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you. I want to see if he passes you without stopping for a minute. Okay. Harley, here. Good job. Oh, he slid. Good boy. for something with less sugar in it. But yeah.
Well, it's all over less sugar in it. You gotta look. You can't just walk by it. You gotta read.
Well, I am reading.
Sugar-free chocolate. Oh my gosh. Fudge brownie cookies, sugar-free. Sugar-free chocolate chip. Sugar-free oatmeal. What are these? Sugar-free wafers.
You want to try sugar-free fudge brownie?
No.
I do.
There's our EB eggs right there.
Yeah, but how long? Oh, they're warm. I'm gonna go over there now. So
Sugar-free oatmeal would be nice.
Where? Oh, cookies?
No, right there.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go look for EB eggs. See if they have pork chops to replace from Walmart. You.
Is that a dealer?
Yes.
We have 2 of them. Love them. Best dogs in the world.
Oh, that's what I say. Nobody wants to believe me though.
What kind of dog is it?
He's a blue heeler. Very smart.
Unbelievable.
And I never thought he'd be a service dog. You know, he alerts me on my highs and lows.
Oh, yeah?
He picks up the Harley.
Oh, my brother's name.
Harley.
Can I let him smell me?
No, he's working right now, and
Oh,
he get
okay.
distracted. We haven't been in with Dixie in a while too, so I gotta keep an eye on Harley here. Leash. Here. Let's see if he does what people stare at. It's good training for him. Harley. Come here. Harley, watch me. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Aww.
Good job.
Aww.
Good job.
Aww.
Good job. Some things I just have to move and get myself.
Aww.
Sit. Sit pretty. He picks up my keys, remote,
Aww.
opens up the refrigerator door.
Oh, that's wonderful.
But I don't train him too much on that because I'm always worried about him opening the refrigerator, taking things out of the refrigerator. You know what I mean? Some people leave their rope hanging on the door from the porch. So.
Aww.
Good job.
Aww.
Good job.
Aww.
Good job. Some things I just have to move and get myself.
Aww.
Sit. Sit pretty.
Aww.
Good job.
Thanks for sharing with us.
No problem. And what I come over here for? Say.
Such as The Handmaid's Tale and Only Murders in the Building. Shatter News, look forward to White Snatch.
Welcome to Matador's Must See America. Want to take a trip with your special someone? Here are some of the most romantic getaways. Number 5, Woodstock, New York. Number 4, Big Sur, California. Number 3, Glenwood Springs.
Harley, heel. Harley. Wait. Harley, in. Good boy.